Welcome to the 2024 Minerals Income Investment Fund and University of Mines and Technology Speaker Series. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Shall we be upstanding to receive our guests and our distinguished speaker for today's MIIF-UMaT Distinguished Speaker Series.
The Speaker Series for me is a highlight of the year because to me this forms a real engagement between industry and academia.
Please be upstanding and welcome Dr. Amoah. She's currently the co-chair of the International Capital Market Association Pan-African Committee.
That Ghanaians are in fact depending on all of us to change the narrative in our lifetime. Because ladies and gentlemen, yen ara yasasini eye apodin emaye.
A tumultuous round of applause for Dr. Amoah, our distinguished speaker.
And we're taking those messages back from here, and we're going to work together to make sure that we deepen and build our capital market, and then we can start owning our own businesses and creating wealth locally. Thank you.
Thank you very much. All too soon we've come to the end.